All right, good morning, Internet. This is going to be a quick video on how to replace the waveguide in your Whirlpool microwave. So if you're like me, your daughter makes a lot of microwave popcorn and she comes downstairs and tells me there's plastic dripping on the popcorn bag, and this was on the ceiling of the microwave. Okay, so the tools you're going to need for this is a screwdriver, a caulking gun, and obviously a new waveguide. Now I'll show you this. The reason I'm going to show you this is these little hooks are really difficult to try to get out whole. So the way I've got this off is I simply just stuck my screwdriver in the microwave and just pried down and just broke the little hooks off. Now the hooks just lay on top there. It's not going to affect any of the performance of the microwave. The other thing I noticed as I pulled this down is this had a little bead of silicone around the waveguide. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to use a little spray of this Dawn dish soap, and I'm going to put it on a paper towel, and I'm just going to clean the top of that microwave. That way I can get the grease off. I'm going to put a little bead of silicone right around here again, just as my previous one had. And then once I clip this up into place, it's never coming down again. Now there are some ways you could uninstall this microwave and take it down and push those clips in, but honestly, if you want the 2-minute fix versus the 2-hour fix, I'd recommend, I just stuck my screwdriver under right here, simply pried down, and it broke the clips off right there, and now I'll just clip the new one in. Okay, so I'm just finishing up cleaning the top, getting all that grease off. I like the Dawn dish soap because it is a degreaser, and removing that grease is going to help that silicone to stick. Alright, and so you can see, as on my previous one, I just ran a quick bead of silicone around there, and then I'm just going to put this back up and clip it in the microwave the same way it came out. So you notice the only difference is there's one little nub right here, and there's a little hole up there that will receive that nub, and that's the biggest difference. You need to make sure you line those up. And then just as simple as that, your microwave's fixed and you're ready to make microwave popcorn. Thanks for watching. And a little pro tip for you all out there, I bought my replacement part from Parts Brothers on Amazon. There are several places to buy it from. The prices range dramatically from 40 to 60 bucks. Parts Brothers was the cheapest I found. It was 25 bucks, it came with free shipping. It did take a little while for the part to get here. We weren't in an emergency need of our microwave, so we were okay to wait a little bit and saved a significant amount of money.